Changing your car's oil is an important part of maintaining its engine health. But how often do you really need to do it? Many people believe that oil needs to be changed every 3,000 miles. But a recent study by Blackstone Laboratories found that mileage is actually more important than age. The study showed that even oil that was 14 years old was still good if the car had only been driven a few thousand miles. However, more frequent oil changes are recommended for cars that are used for towing or other severe purposes. So, how often should you change oil? It depends on your car's make and model, your driving habits, and the type of oil you use. Always consult your car's owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval. Here are some additional tips for extending the life of your car's oil. Use synthetic oil, which lasts longer than conventional oil. Change your oil filter at the same time as your oil change. Avoid short trips, which can cause condensation to build up in your engine oil. By following these tips, you can help keep your engine running smoothly for many miles to come.